here's the pen, here's the penny, and I'll tap it. And
cool.
Created 2 pennies. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. I'm here with Sinfatal, and I'm next. You guys already know me. Well, in today's video, we're gonna be showing you guys 3 awesome money magic tricks. Basically, we're gonna be teaching you guys 3 magic tricks that you guys can do with money. Whether it's a dollar bill or a coin, you're gonna have a lot of fun with these. They're very simple to set up, guys, so try them out. You enjoyed them, right?
Yeah, I enjoyed doing them. It was very simple. I had a lot of fun. I fooled a lot of my friends, my closest friends, my family members. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button.
So let's get started with these magic tricks. Check it out. Okay, so before we get to that magic trick that I showed you at the beginning, I want to get through this one first because I really like this one. I thought of this about 10 years ago. It's been a really long time. I was like 18, fresh out of high school when I came up with this magic trick. All right, so you're going to need a dollar bill for this, and you're also going to need a coin. Now, this coin has George Washington on the front, and this dollar bill also has George Washington. So I'm going to take George Washington and put it on George Washington's face. And then I'm going to fold this dollar like so. And I'm gonna fold it again to trap the coin inside this dollar bill. Come feel it, Sinfatal, so you know it's there.
Yeah, I feel it's in there.
Now, what we're gonna do with this coin right here, guys, is we're gonna make it disappear. So the way we do this is that we tap it. So for example, right here, I'm gonna flick it. And look. See?
Pretty cool, huh, guys?
Okay, to set up this next magic trick that you guys can perform on your friends, family, or anybody, basically you need a dollar bill like this one. This is a real dollar bill, or it could be a fake one, it doesn't matter. And you're also gonna need a quarter. Here's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna place the quarter on the center, so basically George Washington's face is gonna be on George Washington's face, just like that. That's basically the center of the dollar. And now we can fold the dollar in half. Actually, it'll be in 3s. So 1, 2, and then the back is 3. So there's 3 sides to this fold. See? So make sure you get the crease on there. All right, now it's ready. You got your lines set up, and these lines are gonna guide you because you're gonna need to make a cut on a dollar bill. That's right, guys, you're gonna make a cut. Don't worry though, this is perfectly normal. Dollar bills get cut all the time by accident for the most part. You take a little blade and right around George Washington's neck, you're gonna make a cut. So that's gotta hurt right here, guys. Look at that cut. You see it? This is gonna be our escape hole for a coin. You can see the opening, right? But when you stretch out the dollar, can you see it? Yeah, it disappears. So basically, when you do show the spectator the dollar, you pull on it so they can't really tell that there's anything wrong with this dollar. Then you basically just take the coin and put it on the center, like so. And while holding this up, you fold down the bottom, like so. And then you fold the top over it. And we're also gonna fold the sides just to tell your spectators that the coin has been locked inside and trapped inside this dollar. So you hold it like this, and you actually have your spectators, whoever you're performing this trick on, to feel that the coin is there. Feel it, Sinfatal? Can you feel the coin?
Yeah, it's in there.
All right. So when you're showing them the dollar, you have your fingers in front of it like this. So have them feel it, and from this angle, guys, you're gonna let go, loosen up your thumb, and the coin will drop. So it'll slide out, yet your spectator can't see it, right? Because of your fingers. So you flick it a few times to let them know, just for show basically. And then you undo the dollar, and look, again, you pull on the dollar so they can't see the cut. There's nothing there, nothing happened.
Pretty cool, huh, guys?
You lay the dollar, the coin will be in your hand at all times. So basically that's the trick, guys.
Hey, next, check out my magic trick.
How are you doing that?
Levitating money magic trick, as I call it myself. Fooled, are you?
Did you glue it on?
No,
I bet you glued it on.
No, it's not glued on. Look at that.
But
Pretty cool, huh? Now, if I try to balance it again without using magic, look at what happens.
yeah, well, show us how to do it.
Alright, since you guys have gotten this far and you're pretty much fooled by my magic trick already, I'm going to show you guys how it's done. All you need is a regular dollar bill or a $5 bill. I think the more higher the bill, like say you use a $20 bill, a $50 bill, or a $100 bill, I think if you use a $100 bill, it becomes a little bit more exciting because they pay attention to it because they know it's a $100 bill And to get fancy with the $100 bill, nobody really does that, you know? So the higher the bill, the better for the presentation that you give somebody.
But do you have a $100 bill on you?
I do not have a $100 bill
This
on
is
me.
the highest currency you have.
This is the highest currency I currently hold in my wallet. I don't carry cash. When I do, it's always like $5 or maybe a couple of pennies here and there, but that's about it. Thanks for mentioning that, by the way. Okay, guys, so let's get started. So all you need, like I said, guys, is just a bill like I have here and a penny like I have in my right hand. Now, the secret is in the penny, guys. Obviously, if you hold the bill up, it's paper. So what happens if you put paper on your thumb? It is not gonna balance, right? All you need to do is take your bill. You just put the penny right dead in the center when you're giving the presentation. They won't notice. You start folding around the penny like I'm doing so right here.
Did you leave it on the edge?
Yeah, you want to leave it on the edge, guys. Fold around the penny at least 2 times and very tightly too, so that it holds the penny really snug in there. Once you got your creases in there just like this, now they're like, okay, he just folded a dollar bill, which is paper, and how the hell is he gonna balance that, right? Well, wrong. So they don't know that you have that penny in there. So now you just take your bill and put it on your thumb. The key to this magic trick is balancing the penny on your thumb. Once you've mastered that, the magic begins. Look at that, guys. They're gonna be like, what in the hell? How did he get that done? How is that floating in the air like that?
Haha.
Pretty freaking awesome, huh? What do you think about that, Next Raker?
Man, I can do this on my own as well.
Yeah, you could, but the odds of you doing it with those gloves is highly unlikely.
If anything, they'll probably second guess me because of the
What do you
gloves.
guys think, guys? Do you guys like magic tricks? Do you guys enjoy seeing magic? If you guys want us to put out more content involving magic and show you guys, then we can do that. Make sure you leave it on the comments below. Now let's finish this magic trick. The key to this is when you're done showing off, you want to make sure you grab this side and grab this side where the penny's at. Hold on to the penny, flip the bill up while you're closing your hand. Let the penny fall in your hand. Then you want to hold it with these 2 fingers. With the other 2 fingers, you want to fold back up and they won't see anything.
So the penny slid out.
The penny slid out. It's nice and snug in your hand and you're showing off the bill. Now they're going to grab that bill. They're going to put it in their hand, fold it up just like that. And they're going to be like, I could do that if you could do it. No, you can't. So there you guys go.
So the penny's the key then.
The penny is definitely the key and the secret to this trick.
Hey, Sinfado, you want to see a cool magic trick?
Shoot for it.
Alright, so about this pen. It's a magic pen because right here I have a penny. So what I'm going to do with this penny right here, I'm going to put it on my hand. You see it? And I'm going to tap it with this magic pen and it's going to multiply it. So I'm going to have 2 pennies.
Okay.
Just watch.
Oh, wow. How did that happen?
2 pennies, guys.
That's pretty awesome. What's the secret in this magic trick?
Well, I'm going to show you in a bit. To be able to pull off that magic trick, guys, you'll need 2 pennies. Make sure that they're like the same color. They don't have to be, but it's nice if they are. Also, you're going to need a pen. This is a regular cheap pen. It came from a pack of 10, which I bought for $1 at Walmart. If we remove the cap, there's nothing fishy about this cap. There's nothing fishy about this pen. Like I said, it's a regular pen. How we're gonna set this up is we're gonna remove the tip, which contains the ink. We don't need this, it'll get in the way, so get rid of it. All we need is the tube. So these are the 3 essential components, guys. Penny, cap, and pen tube. We're gonna mess with the tube. You're gonna need a cutting tool, such as a blade. Since I don't wanna deal with a blade right now, I'm just gonna use a power tool to cut a slit on the end of this pen right here, guys. So I have my trusty Dremel right here, and I'm gonna begin creating that slit. There it is, guys. There's the slit. All right, and it should look a little something like this. If it's got those shavings on there, just remove them. We don't need any of that. And now our penny can actually stick on there. It's all about the angle that you hold the pen. So I got the penny on there. Now I'm gonna slide in the cap from this angle right here. Can you see the penny?
No, I can't see the penny.
All right, so it's all about the angle, guys. So now I have the other penny here. You can tell your spectators, hey, I have a penny here. I'm gonna double it. I'm basically gonna transform 1 penny into 2. So you tap that penny, and when that happens, you push in the cap, and the cap will push out the penny. Just like that. So now you'll have 2 pennies. You have to do this real quick, and you have to be able to hold this at an angle. So let me show you a demonstration again. Here's the pen, here's the penny, and I'll tap it. And
Cool.
created 2 pennies. And look, the pen, there's no evidence that anything was tampered with. And even if your slit is a little bit large, If your pen has a clip, you can just turn it and nobody will be able to see it. And those were 3 awesome money magic tricks that you guys can do at home to impress your friends, family, and anybody that you guys want. They're gonna be blown away by these tricks that you're gonna show them.
Now, if you got, yeah, that's for you. Now, if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. We're gonna be putting out a whole bunch of new content. As for me, I'm Sin Fatal.
I'm Next right here.
We'll see you later.
So open it, guys. We're gonna fill the inside with some Skittles. Just dump them in there. All right, that's a good portion. Let's close it up. Now this pen we're gonna modify to sneak some M&M's minis into class. Look how easy it is to get some M&M's. Just pop the top open. Simple as that, guys.